What's up guys, EB Tech here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to not make an introduction video. So without further ado, let's go. So I'm in college, I have an online class, so my teacher emailed us and said she wanted us to do an introduction video in the form of a YouTube video. And I was like, oh sure, yeah, why not? So you know, most people, you take out your phone and you just like hit the little record button and you just point it at yourself and yeah, you'd be done. But here on this channel, you guys know that is not an option. We're not doing that. We're doing it the hard way. Let's get set up. Now, number one item on the list is find you some kind of just giant light to sit in front of. And of course, we're going to be using this little thing instead. So yeah, we're just going to put that right here. Next thing we're going to need is something to set our camera on. So let's get the tripods. So now that we got the tripods, we actually need to get the light actually set up. Can't forget the little diffusion paper. Okay, so video's set up now, so now we gotta worry about audio. Unscrew this little doohickey right here. Stick that somewhere. Take the good microphone from its pouch. That I really should just buy an actual case for this, but I broke. And then next we get the recorder here. Up there. Okay, so apparently the next part is finding your audio cable because it's never where you thought it was. Yeah, found it. Okay, so we've got video, audio, lighting. Now we have to clean that, as that's going to be the set. I don't much like cleaning, and frankly I've been studying all day, so everything's just strolled everywhere. Yeah, we gotta clean that up. So pro tip for you guys, you only have to clean what's in the shot. If it's not in the shot, well, it doesn't matter. But now that we've got everything set, it's time to get everything else ready and then shoot the video. So in case you missed it, we have a light here, and we have another light here, and then we'll put something white on the computer screen to put other white on the face. If that makes any sense. I hope so. And this is the result that you get from this setup right here. But here's the thing, I don't much like how much light that's shining, so we're gonna fix that with possibly the most unenvironmental way possible. Why not? Okay, I like that a little bit better. That's actually pretty good. Now, is this complete overkill for just a simple video? Yeah, it is. But on this channel, we're not mediocre people. We overdo everything and overcomplicate everything, no matter what it is. So even something as a simple introduction video, this is the process I go through. Actually, this is the process I go through for most of my YouTube videos as well. So yeah, little insight into the behind the scenes stuff. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, maybe a little bit. If you hated it, you know where the dislike button's at. If you liked it, throw me a like, maybe subscribe for more weird stuff like this. I don't want to do tech, but why not? So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next video.